So in your CupFone box, you'll have this small separator tool. It has a little flange on one end, and that is the base. You'll place that down on your table. And then underneath the CupFone, you'll see that there's holes in the bottom, and there's holes in every cup. You'll want to orient it so that first hole is entirely closed off, just like that, and so that you can see nothing but the bottom face of that second cup. The separator tool is meant to fit right into that hole like that. With the separator tool on the table, you'll place the CupFone over it, and with both hands, you'll press down to push the core through. You may have to repeat rotating the cups for the second, third, and fourth cups. But same step, just place the CupFone over, press down, and push it through. And there you go.